The Royal Enfield Bear 650 stands as a bold statement in the middleweight cruiser segment, seamlessly blending modern performance with classic aesthetics. Designed to evoke a sense of adventure and nostalgia, the Bear 650 carries forward Royal Enfield's signature design philosophy while introducing a new level of refinement and power. At the heart of the Bear 650 lies a 648cc parallel twin engine, a powerplant that has already proven its mettle in the brand's Interceptor and Continental GT models. Tuned to deliver smooth, linear power, the engine offers a perfect balance between performance and comfort. With a responsive throttle and ample torque available across the rev range, the Bear 650 promises a laid-back yet engaging ride, making it ideal for long cruises and spirited weekend rides alike. The bike's design pays homage to classic cruisers with a low-slung profile, teardrop fuel tank, and a comfortable wide seat. The attention to detail is evident in the polished chrome accents, dual exhausts, and retro-inspired round headlamp that comes equipped with modern LED technology. The combination of old-school charm and contemporary engineering creates a motorcycle that not only looks the part but also meets the demands of modern riders. Handling and ride quality are key aspects of the Bear 650's appeal. Built on a robust tubular steel frame, the motorcycle offers stability and confidence around corners. Its suspension setup, featuring telescopic front forks and twin rear shocks, is tuned to absorb road imperfections while maintaining precise control. The ergonomics are relaxed, with forward-set footpegs and swept-back handlebars that encourage long-distance riding without fatigue. Braking duties are handled by disc brakes at both ends, supported by dual-channel ABS, ensuring safety and control even in sudden braking scenarios. The Bear 650 rolls on wide, grippy tires that provide excellent traction and stability, further enhancing the rider's confidence on the road. Royal Enfield has equipped the Bear 650 with subtle yet functional technology. A semi-digital instrument cluster offers essential ride information, while features like USB charging and optional navigation provide modern conveniences for contemporary riders. The motorcycle is designed to be versatile, capable of handling both urban commutes and open highways with equal grace. Customization plays a big role in the Bear 650's identity. Royal Enfield offers a range of accessories and customization options, allowing riders to tailor the bike to their preferences. From touring windshields to saddlebags and custom paint schemes, the Bear 650 can be transformed to reflect the unique style and personality of its owner. The Royal Enfield Bear 650 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement of individuality and a celebration of the open road. By combining timeless design with modern engineering, it bridges the gap between heritage and innovation, ensuring that every ride is not just a journey but an experience.